Okay guys, so I had a small little accident. I installed some transom wheels back there, and some of the bolts were sticking out a little bit, and it scraped against the floor, the inflatable floor, and it created an air pin, like a tiny, pinhole. So the floor is deflated. So in case you guys are wondering, can you ride your boat with a deflated floor? And yes, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here I am. I'm sitting on the aluminum seat, of course. Let me put the motor down. Wait. There we go. Let me get it started. Now, mind you, can you ride? Yes, you can ride, just not fast. But yeah, this is good enough for me to get back to the boat ramp. That's what I'm gonna do. This will be good enough for me to get back to the boat ramp, and I can move about just fine, just not fast. That's the beauty of having one of these inflatable boats. Like this one has 5 bladders. There's 2 here and 2 back here. And so those bladders are keeping you afloat. But let's say that bladder goes out, that one and the rest will keep you afloat. That's the beauty of it. So in case you guys are wondering, can you float with an inflatable, boat when the floor is deflated? You can. Thanks for watching.